The kitchen is the heart of the home, but you might be making some big mistakes that you don't even know about. It can be tempting to pour or poke those leftovers down the sink, but those small mistakes can lead to big problems. Poking bits of rice, pasta and noodles could cause a massive headache as they continue to swell every time you run the tap. Even things like coffee grinds could cause a blockage because they aren't water soluble and will stick together when wet. Other things you should avoid putting down the sink are oils, flour, fruit stickers, medication and paint. The dishwasher can do many things, but washing wooden products isn't one of them. Wood swells when it absorbs water and shrinks when it dries. The harsh environment of the dishwasher will cause the wood to swell and dry quickly, causing splits and cracks. So think twice before popping your cutting board or utensils in the dishwasher. A good rule of thumb is you should always hand wash your wood products and dry them quickly. Airtight containers in your pantry are a must. Not only do they keep things fresh, but it means you can easily see things in your pantry. It also stops things like pantry moths, which are a pain to get rid of. Pantry moths can even live in the packaging of your products before you bring them home. So popping things into containers means you'll also have peace of mind. It can be tempting to wipe your hands on any towel you see, but this is how germs can spread. Take the time to invest in different coloured tea towels to avoid growing bacteria. Have one for drying hands, one for spills, and any others you need. If they are colour-coded, then it's easy to see which ones you should be using. Keep your kitchen looking fresh by avoiding these mistakes.